Alright guys, this is a grill set we just had done for a customer. This one's 8 top, 8 bottom. This is a two-tone with the diamond dust finish. 8 on 8 guys. Here's the back side. In fact, let me show you. So this is what the back looks like. It snaps right on the teeth. There's no silicone mold required or anything like that. Basically, it's custom fitted for a perfect fit. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. blingcartel.com. Free shipping in the US. Handmade work. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.